Yes, the starter let them go. And his quickest into stride, it seems to be Blue Lightning. Yes, Blue Lightning up in front. A back of Blue Lightning comes Uncertain. Then Uncertain comes up Blondie. A back of Blondie comes the Rocket. They are racing at a very, very blistering gallop. Up the backstretch they go. And they begin now to string out in single flies. But up to the front runner. And it seems to be Uncertain the Rocket. Uncertain the Rocket. And then comes up Blue Lightning. Behind Blue Lightning now is Blondie. Then making a ball, but there seems to be Expresso is also trying to close. But now they are racing away from the tree pole, and it seems to be the Rocket. It's the Rocket who has the call. A back up the Rocket are closing very, very fast indeed. It seems to be Blondie. The field now beginning to bunch up, and then comes the Rocket still holding on there. Blue Lightning is trying to come with a flourish. They're straight up for home. They spread right across the track. The dust begins to fly. There is no moisture whatsoever. The boys are going to the track. The whips are drying. It's a wide open contest. They have exactly 100 meters to go. And Express is also coming through. They're beginning to bunch up. And they're having 50 meters to go. And Mystery Man seems to have the call. And it's still Mystery Man. And they race up to